So this is the property dog, or one of them. And she always wants to come on a run with me. That's what you like, huh? Good old belly rub. Welcome to my new home for the month, and thank you to NordVPN for sponsoring my stay. As a digital nomad, I need two things: fast Wi-Fi and all the levels of encryption to protect my data. As you've probably noticed, I'm constantly on the move. Every week or every month is an adventure somewhere new or somewhere familiar. I've logged into hundreds of public Wi-Fi servers, so having NordVPN's double data encryption is essential to protect my data wherever I go. Not only that, when I log into NordVPN, I get super fast Wi-Fi because it communicates directly to any of the 5,500 servers in 60 countries, so bandwidth limits don't really affect me. Oh, and NordVPN has unlimited bandwidth, which means fast, safe Wi-Fi for as long as I need it. My favorite thing about having NordVPN is whenever I leave the country, I can still watch streaming sites only available in the US. Go to nordvpn.com/Haley or use my code Haley and get a 2-year plan plus 1 additional month with a huge discount. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Kalispell, Montana. That house right there is the house that I'm renting for 1 month. It's called the Cedar House. It is at the base of the Flathead National Forest. You guys, there hasn't been snow on the ground since I arrived here on March 1st. When I arrived here, it was blankets of snow across the entire property. There is still this patch of snow and there are patches everywhere, but mostly it's all melted. The sun's coming out just in time because I wanted to hike up this area right above the forest here, but I do have to get bear spray. It's been raining on and off today, but hiking up that trail is a workout, so I think I'm gonna ditch my jacket, take a chance. Well, I have this hat, so by the way, this hat is from the Montana scene, and it's a local store here in Kalispell, and I don't really usually wear hats, but this one particularly looks good. I like it. So I've got my bear spray. This is a new thing for me. Even though it's still winter, well, technically it's almost spring. So all the locals around here say carry bear spray with you at all times, even in the winter, because you never know, things are warming up so quickly. You don't know when the bears are going to come out. But the thing is, I don't know how to use this, and I should probably test it out, not on anyone, just test it out in general. Before I carry this up there, I should probably know how to use it. So let's test it right now. Slide off before use. Okay. I think it's armed and ready. So I'm gonna spray this and then I'm gonna run away because I don't wanna get in the middle of any of this. But wait, hold on, which way is the wind going? All right, ready? Okay, I don't wanna walk anywhere near that area right now. So now I know how to use it. I'm just gonna set this down real quick. Slide this back on it so no one gets an accidental spray. I've been hiking up this road a couple times a week to get some exercise out here. Before, when it was just snow, it was so deep that it was like walking in sand. I don't know if Northwest Montana is gonna see another storm this winter. We are starting to see a glimpse of the Flathead Valley. Made it to the little hangout spot up here. Let's see how frozen this lake is. Gotta find a rock. All right, this'll do. Looks pretty frozen to me. So it is March here in Kalispell and it's been unusually warm, like I was saying before. The consensus from all the locals that I've spoken to is that it's May weather. So this is very unusual and not normal to not have snowed. But the silver lining is that it's been very easy to drive around in these conditions. Glacier National Park is 30 miles from us. We're so close to this gorgeous park. We're so close to the Canadian border. Northwestern Montana is such a cool area. I feel the rain coming. Okay, it's time to go. Hopefully I don't have to use this on the way down. Let's go. I was just saying that it hasn't snowed this entire time I've been here. I've been here for almost 3 weeks. It was raining as I was coming down the mountain, and then it turned into snow. No matter how many times you see the snow, the beauty of it never gets old. And here's our pup. It's snowing. You want a rub? I know you want a belly rub, but you're gonna get me all wet. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on. Okay guys, you ready for the Montana house tour? Welcome to the kitchen / living area. We have an open floor plan here. This is where a lot of the creative juices flow. Making pretty amateur masterpieces, if that even makes sense. We've got this beautiful open island counter, and we have a really cool wooden pillar right here. Makes it very log cabin-y style, which it totally is. This is where I work. It is my substitute standing desk. As you can see, the snow has already stopped and it's already melted. That was just an hour ago that it was snowing. So the weather is pretty crazy here. It's pretty unpredictable. And here we have the living area. Here, let's go outside. So this is our view. Out on the balcony, there's a barbecue here. So our view out here is of the forest, but also the woman who owns this house right here lives in that house right there. So she's our neighbor. This little garage area and all this equipment is her husband's because he is a logger. So he's been doing a lot of maintenance. This is the whole property surrounding us. It's on 5 acres. Okay, let's go back inside. I'll show you the rest of the house. Now you can see this whole area with better lighting. It's very cozy, very warm. Let's go down this hall. It's a little bit dark, but good thing my camera has incredible low light. And the bathroom is enormous. I have taken many baths here, and it's got a jet too, so that's nice. We've got a heater switch right here, which really warms up this bathroom. We'll cross the hallway here and go through these saloon doors. This is the laundry room. Fun stuff. Actually, this is fun stuff. We have the master bedroom. This room is so large, but the furniture takes up most of the room. So this is all very old, 3rd generation, according to what our owner says. So I have to use these steps to get up into bed because this bed is so enormous. So the strange thing is that there's no windows in here, but there is a sliding door that goes out to the balcony and an enormous closet. So that's bedroom number 1. Oh, we turn all the lights off. This is bedroom number 2. No one has slept in this bedroom. Haven't had many guests other than MC. There's a little mint collection, as in the color mint, the green, not like breath mint. It says mint up there. All right, take you guys downstairs to the last room. So we go down this gate area. I think this is for babies and dogs or something. So we've got a little basement / room / work area down here. This is where MC was staying, so technically this is her room, I guess. That huge wooden pillar goes straight through the wall right here. I have a little workstation and a downstairs bathroom. That is the tour, guys. Thank you for being here. So the plan today is I need to do a little bit of work, and then MC and I have a fun outdoor adventure. And then I'm dropping her off to the airport because she's leaving. She's been here for the last week. And I'm actually going to be spending a weekend away from this house. That's the plan for the next coming days. I'm gonna get to work and then we're gonna be off on our adventure.
What's up, MC?
What's up, Bug?
This week in Montana, I've had a very special guest staying with me. This is MC, everyone.
Hey, everyone.
And today we are on our way to go horseback riding. Discover Kalispell, the tourism outfit here, set it up for us. So thank you, Discover Kalispell, for helping us see Montana. And even if it's snowing or raining outside, it's still gonna be absolutely beautiful. The weather completely opened up and it stopped snowing. This is perfect. It couldn't have gotten any better. Are you bonding with your horse?
Yes, this is Pi.
Oh, hi Pi.
So cute.
Hey. I'm meeting my horse Ace. Hey cutie. I know you want some treats and I don't have any, but I can give you a really good head scratch right behind the ears. Looks like it's just us. Good job, Ace. You're doing great. How's it going, MC?
Good.
Yeah?
So much fun.
It's so beautiful out here. This ride has been so beautiful. We can see views all over the Flathead Valley. It's so much fun when they start trotting. And now you are a happy horse. Bye, cutie. Thanks so much. You're such a good boy, Ace. Okay, MC. Thanks for coming out here and visiting me. Bye. Bye. See you back home.
Bye, San Francisco.
Bye. We are totally switching gears now, and I'm going to head north, basically to Canada, almost to Canada. Unfortunately, Canada has some pretty crazy COVID protocols, understandably, I mean. I would love to just drive across the border and get some food and finally be in Canada, because I've never visited Canada before. I'm heading to a farm, a ranch in Trago, and I'm going to be working on a farm the next few days. So I'm meeting the family and we're gonna talk about what kind of work I have ahead of me. I'm really excited about this, and it's gonna be the next video, so just make sure that you are subscribed and you're getting notifications, because the next video is gonna be super fun, very Montana lifestyle, very different from my lifestyle back in California. So I'm really, really excited to get deep into it. Arrived at Blarney Heights Farm, and this is where I'm going to be filming my next video. This is it for the vlog. I'm going to meet the owners, talk about our duties. It's going to be a very early day tomorrow. Make sure to check out the next video. Thanks for being here with me in Montana, and I will talk to you soon. Until next time, take on the world.